Hi, this is Jeanie from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm here to teach you Beautiful Dreamer, which is from our new book, 21 Easy Ukulele Folk Songs. Beautiful Dreamer uses 5 chords. It uses a C, a D minor, a G7, a D7, and an F. The strumming pattern I'm using is all downs. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There's also a melody tab of the song. Enjoy! Beautiful dreamer, wake unto me. Starlight and dewdrops are waiting for thee. Sounds of the rude world heard in the day, lulled by the moonlight, have all passed away. Beautiful dreamer, queen of my song, list while I woo thee with soft melody. Conquer the cares of life's busy throng. Beautiful dreamer, awake unto me. Beautiful dreamer, awake unto me. If you like this video, please press like or leave a comment below. Visit ukulele.io to get free sheet music emailed to you. You can also purchase one of our books on Amazon where we teach you the skills you need to learn this and other songs. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to get notifications about our weekly lesson uploads.